Hey guys, Geeking to everyone. On this video I'm gonna tell you about mv command in Linux. The mv command is one of the basic Linux commands and it's used to move files and directories from one location to another. It is also used to rename files and directories. The mv command is installed in all Linux distributions by default. Let's check it out how it works in practical way. Firstly, I'm gonna show you where you can find some information about this command in Linux operational system. You can use mv --help option. By this command, you can get some information on output about mv command, included information about options and syntax as well. Also, you can use man command to get a manual of command you specify. I'm going to specify mv command. So on this manual, you can find some information about this command as well, included synopsis, description, information about options, etc. So don't hesitate to check this manual out. So on my current working directory, two directories, dir1 and dir2. So let's create a text file in directory dir1. I'm gonna call it file.txt and I'm gonna write this expression, hello geeks. So let's press enter. As you can see, on our directory dir1 there is a file.txt. If you check the content inside this file, you can see there is expression hello geeks. Also, let's create a directory inside directory dir1. I'm gonna use mkdir command and then the name of directory. I'm gonna call the directory dir3. So press enter. As you can see, on the directory dir1 there is a directory dir3 and text file file.txt. So let's move this directory and file from directory dir1 to directory dir2. Firstly, I'm gonna move file, so you can type mv, then the current location of the file, dir1 file.txt, and then the location where you want to move the file. It's gonna be dir2. So press enter. As you can see, on the dir2 there is a file.txt, and on the directory dir1 there is only directory dir3. So we moved the file.txt from dir1 to dir2. Let's also move directory dir3. mv dir1 3 dir2. So press enter. Okay, so no files on the directory dir1, and there is the file.txt and directory dir3 on our directory dir2. So we successfully moved file and directory from one location to another. Let's move multiple files and directories from one location to another. Let's create several files from directory dir1, this directory. I'm gonna use touch command. So I'm gonna call it file2 txt, file3 txt, and file4 txt. So on directory dir1 there are 3 files, as you can see. Let's move all these files from directory 1 to directory 2, named dir2. Let's type mv, then you have to specify all files you want to move. And then you have to type the location where you want to move all these files. I'm gonna move it to directory dir2. So press enter. Let's check it out what is inside directory dir1. There is nothing, no files. And let's check directory dir2. As you can see, they are all our files: file2 txt, file3 txt, and file4 txt. Let's clear the terminal. Okay, let's check how to rename files and directories using mv command. Let's create a file on directory dir1. Let's call it file6 txt. Let's check it out. So there is a file6 txt, and let's write some text data inside this file. Let's use echo. Okay, let's check it out. What is the content inside this file? Okay, as you can see, there is expression geeking to everyone. And let's move this file6 txt, from directory dir1 to directory dir2 and rename the file. You can type mv 1 file6 dir2 file new 6 txt. Okay, let's check it out. What is the inside directory dir2? There is a new file new 6.txt, and there is no files inside directory dir1. Let's check it out. A content inside the file new 6.txt. There is expression geeking to everyone. That means we just moved our file6.txt, and rename it. When you move the file from one directory to another directory, where the another file exists with the same name, the mv command overwrites the existing file. If you want to prevent it, you have to use an option. For example, if we create a file into directory 1 and call it file2.txt, and let's move this file with the option -n from directory 1 to directory 2 and press enter. This file is still on the directory 1 because the file with the same name exists on the directory 2. So by -n option you can prevent moving the file to directory where another file with the same name exists. So thanks guys for watching this video, I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Ciao ciao!